evening to all of you. Today we are going to cover the business analytical tools in big data and one case study, and further we are going to conduct quiz program for your test. The topics of today is our Hadoop ecosystem, Spark, NoSQL databases, data visualization tools, machine learning platform, like that. First we talk about the Hadoop ecosystem. When we start exploring the big data and its challenges, Hadoops make a big role. The data market worth of more than $274 billion in 2023. But the Hadoop and HDFS and MapReduce, the key components of Hadoop, play a very important role. Hadoop distributed system, it consists of the scalability and fault tolerance. It is the scalable and fast tolerant. It uses 128 MB blocks with replication. The architecture includes name node as well as data nodes. The clients interact with the name node and data nodes. 1 TB data set can be stored across the 100 nodes. That means that the huge amount of data can be managed by Hadoop distributed file system, HDFS, designed to handle the large data sets across the multiple nodes, and it will also replicate the data to ensure the availability even if not the files. So MapReduce, second one, that is input, map, shuffle chart and reduce and output. MapReduces use the MapReduce functions for the particular processing of data. Data locality optimize the processing speed and automatically retries the file task. The word count is an example, include the text files and summing counts. So these are the 5 steps: input, map, shuffle and sort, reduce and output. And the third one is Hive. It is a data warehousing on Hadoop. It also consists of ETL. ETL, already we know that extraction, transformation and load data for the analysis part. Data warehouse, each offers SQL like interface. It uses for the data analysis. It is also extracted through a table and schemas. Table is nothing but the database in the form of rows and columns. Schema is nothing but the architecture. So Hive Server 2 and Metastore manage the schema information. So another one is PIC. It is a high level data flow language. It is the data flow and simplified jobs. PIC simplified the complex MapReduce jobs. It also expresses the data transformation. The architecture includes interpreter and compiler. The scalars, tables, big data loss can be used and explore the clickstream data and identify. It is a PIC, high level data flow language. Another one is deep dive. The architecture includes name node and data node. Already we have discussed about this deep dive. The MapReduce internal, how the shuffle and sort. Shuffle and sort can be start with the map. First we have to go for the map task in the key value pair. Then automatically it reduces the value. And shuffle, combine the aggregates data. The partition and distribute the key. The execution of speculative execution optimize the performance. That means map, shuffle, sort, reduce. So Hive, what are the advanced features of Hives? First one is UDFS and second one is partitioning, third one is indexing, fourth one is optimization. UDF is a very important first function and it gives also second stage is partitioning. Third, all we know that data index is a database object that will make us for all these activities make the optimization of the data. And PIC already we got taken, it is a load and filter and join. Conclusion, the power of the Hadoop system which accomplishes the task of scalability, fault tolerance and cost effectiveness. Apache Spark, it is a unified, the second topic of today is Spark. Apache Spark, unified analytic engine. It is powerful engine. It is designed for the big data processing. It core the strength include the memory processing and streaming analytics. Spark excels in speed, ease of use, versatility, make it a crucial tool for modern data analytics. Core concepts: RDDs, data frames, data sets. What do you mean by RDD? It is a resilient distributed data set. It is in the form of Spark Foundation. RDDs are immutable distributed collection of objects. RDD. Second one is data frame. Data frames are nothing but the structured data abstraction. It is similar to the data tables. The data frames organize the data into the named columns. Data sets combine RDD and the data frames. The data frames offering both the type of safety and performance. Data sets are only available in Scalable as well as Java. Spark in memory processing. It is the in-memory architecture, reduced latency, performance. All these things are having the speed up for the analytical purpose. So architecture, we can see the architecture here, executor, driver, cluster and driver. Always combined from start from done, driver to driver cluster hanger man, and then it is goes for the execution. Driver is nothing but it coordinate all the execution of the Spark application. Cluster manages allocate the resource to the Spark application. Execution, task assigned by the driver, it process the data in the parallel processing. So real-time processing, real-time extension, micro batching data source. My real-time extension is nothing but that Spark streaming the process in real-time data streams effectively. Micro batching divides the streams into the small batches, whereas data sources supports Kafka, Fume, gigs, all these and many more. It will come from the data sources. The use case real-time fraud detection with Spark streaming, that it is one of the very interesting use case program. In the real-time analysis we can use for this. Here data ingestion, future extraction, fraud scoring. All these three things are happening at the time of real-time and transaction data. So SQL, that is coming with the Spark. It is a querying structured data. So first one is model, then data source and categorized optimal. All these things are combined together and the structured data using SQL data frame with the help of API. API means application program interface. Machine learning also MLIP. It is also algorithm, classification, regression, clustering, collaborating, classification, regression, clustering, collaborating. All these things are available in the machine learning with M library. Machine learning library. Spark's machine learning library is called MLib. MLlib. Deployment integration. We can also do the employment in the cloud environment on the premises with a hybrid mode. Conclusion, we can easily understand the Spark impact on the future trends. Spark plays a very important for the real-time business analytical and also make the comfortable tool to analyze the various trends. Now I am giving 5 minutes break, then we will go for the another topic. And welcome back. So now we are going to discuss about the Tableau versus Power BI, a deep dive in the data visualization. So the Power BI and the Tableau, that is the data visualization tools. This is market trend is more than $25 billion in 2023. It is expected to reach 37 billion by 2027. Understanding Tableau. Tableau 2003 at the Stanford. It is acquired by the Salesforce in 2019. And the core strength, it is used for visual discovery, interactive dashboards. Tableau excels at handling large amount of data sets. That is the main strength of and core strength of Tableau. The primary use cases, complex data analysis and trend identification. Storytelling with the data is a key feature. Now BI means business intelligence. Power BI, it is launched by Microsoft 2015. Core strength is it is seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. It is affordable and easy to use for the basic reporting. The primary use is business reporting and KPI, key performance index. KPI means key performance index monitoring. It shares the insights across the organization is very simply we can make it with the help of Power BI. So data connectivity, how we can compare with the both the things Tableau and Power BI. Tableau connects 85 plus data sources, whereas it connects 20 plus data sources. It includes cloud, spreadsheet, big data platform. It is a strong integration with all the Microsoft product. Tableau, it supports live connection data extraction. Power BI, data optimized for the Microsoft ecosystem. Visualization capabilities, we can compare head-to-head comparison. Tableau, it is a charting options, strong geospatial analysis and customized visualization, whereas Power BI, it a wide range of visuals, AI-powered visuals and custom visualization. Now easy to use Tableau, it's steeper in learning curve for advanced, all the advanced features whatever available, it is like a drag and drop interface with a basic, that is a Power BI, it is very friendly from the beginners also for the beginners, and it's also guided tutorial extension documentations available. So price licensing we can compare by the way this $42 per month only Tableau, and here it is like only 10 per, the comparatively it is a less cost. That means Power BI. The real world examples, Tableau. Nissan used Tableau. Nissan used Tableau to analyze the vehicle sales data, whereas Power BI, it Heathrow Airport used for Heathrow Power BI. They visualize the passenger flow data and improved operational efficiency 20%. 22% efficiency can be gotten by Power BI. What are the key differentiators? It is a superior, Tableau is a superior for complex data analysis. It excels the advanced visualization and handling very large data. But Power BI, it is better for organization. Microsoft ecosystem, it is perfectly suitable. So it is good for the quick reporting and budget friendly. So conclusion, we can choose the right tool for your needs according to the requirement and considerations on powerful tools and recommendation. You can select which one is useful for you. Now we come to the final tool, that is called the machine learning platform, that is TensorFlow versus PyTorch. So this is the last topic of actual course. After that we will go discuss for the case study. Now this machine learning introduction for TensorFlow, it is originally developed by the Oracle Brain. TensorFlow was open sourced in 2015. It focuses the production employment and ecosystem and API. It is a TensorFlow. That is the second one. PyTorch is originally developed by Facebook AI Research Lab. It is a focused to platform concentrate to research and rapid programming. It is also graphical computation graphic is very flexibility. So there is a strong community support Pythonic interface. That is PyTorch. So what are the key features of TensorFlow? It's a static graphs, TensorBoard, serving, Keras API. All these things are plays a very important as well as features for the TensorFlow. What are the key features of PyTorch? Dynamic graph, user execution, library, Python. All these things are the few feature of PyTorch. In the PyTorch, if you say the data and recursion and division, and after that everything whatever it is happen, that is coming under the key features of dynamic graphs, user execution, library, Python. So development debugging, TensorFlow, it is a steeper learning curve and static graphs are harder to the debug. It's difficult somewhat. PyTorch, it is a more Pythonic and intuitive, and dynamic graphs simply debugging the process. Example, debugging a neutral network layer is easier to inspect intermediate values. What are the use cases? TensorFlow is widely used for the production for the large scale deployment, whereas PyTorch, it is favored in research. Mainly it is used for the research point of view. Example, it is Google used for TensorFlow, whereas PyTorch is at Tesla Autopilot. Performance benchmark, PyTorch is more efficient than TensorFlow. Community in ecosystem, we can say that it is rapidly growing. PyTorch, strong research focus, where it is a maturity community, extensive resources for the TensorFlow. What are the future friends? TensorFlow continue to focus on production scalability is present, whereas PyTorch is expanding industry adoption and research innovations. Now we are going to talk about the case study of the complete big data so that you can easily understand about the big data. So case study Oracle Analytical Cloud. Oracle Analytical Cloud. The client wanted to implement one case study we are describing now. Oracle Analytics Cloud, a smart ERP services case study. The client wanted to implement Oracle Clinical Tech data lake edition software geared for financial reporting aspect. The benefits are current reporting is in time consuming but slow. These are the problems can be solved with the help of this Oracle Analytical Cloud. If you read this, what are the challenges? Here develop the financial reporting, profit and loss, balance sheet, everything like that. We are having a lot of challenges in that. But using with this particular Oracle Cloud, we can achieve the entire task with the data visualization has helped at the executive level. Finally, the client is based out San Francisco, USA. It is a personal financial website which helps the people to make and manage financial decisions by comparing the various products available from the banks and insurance company. That means that this case study, Oracle Analytical Cloud, makes it comfortable for every individual to make the analysis, self-analysis as well as for their performance in the finance sector. This is one case study. Another one, enhanced business efficiency with a successful migration to Oracle Cloud infrastructure strategic approach. This will be shared in the chat window also so that it may be useful for your study purpose for the future, for your future. Here, this case study explores the strategic practices migrating our client's business application to migration from one to another. That means especially here Oracle Cloud infrastructure. This case study discusses the key business objective, requirements, mitigation strategies, challenges, everything like that. All these business objectives can be solved with the help of the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Availability, agility, scalability, security, license and tracking and enhanced experience. Infosys is one of the major partner for this in India. What are the key challenges? Data transfer and masking, TSK, Transitional Service Agreement, security compliance, boundary. These are the various challenges we are facing in this Oracle Cloud infrastructure. And industry compliance and cost management performance also. It is one of the beautiful case study in India company Infosys that provides a solution for the complete infrastructure with the help of Oracle Cloud infrastructure. This also I am sharing with you all through your what is that? Finally, we get the conclusion that Infosys helped Syncerator complete their cloud migration to the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. It is a detailed report. We can get it with the help of that availability, scalability, and operational expenses. With this OCI, Infosys established a robust platform, continuous innovation for the next generation technologies, thereby improving the operations and making business more in Europe country, North America, China regions. So this has enabled greater innovation and smoother delivery of new products to the market. That means that we can understand the importance of our Oracle big data analytical tools play a very important role in the present generation. I hope that last 6 days whatever we are covering with the various concepts that has been helpful for you, as well as these two case studies I put an example how Oracle big data analytics play a very important role in today's IT market. So I hope that all people enjoyed the 6 days session. Now we are going to conduct one quiz program, and more than that, these two case studies also I am sharing with you all through the window, that is chat window. So that for the purpose of future study, right? So today, now we come to go to the just our quick review. So quick review for the all 6 day session. Day one, we have covered about the introduction about the big data. Day two, we covered about the business analytics in big data with the 4 years 1, 2, 3, 4. Descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and fourth one prescriptive. Day three, Oracle analytical, how the concepts can be evoked. And day four, Oracle databases concepts, including transaction management and Oracle database architecture. And finally, today we talked about the various tools in big data and Hadoop ecosystem, Spark, NoSQL database, data visualization tool, and comparative of various Tableau and Power BI. Plus, we discussed about two case studies also. Now we go to the further quiz. So now, after completing all the sessions of this complete of harnessing data certification course, now it is important to discuss about the case studies. The first case study is enhanced business efficiency with a successful migration to OCI. OCI is nothing but Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. It is one of the type of strategic approach. Here, if you talk about the abstract, this case study explores the strategic practices involved in migrating our client's business critical application to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. For what purpose? For the business efficiency purpose. The case study also discusses the key business objective, integration requirements, migration strategy, challenges, and Infosys solution for handling the cloud migration. Infosys leveraged internally built accelerators, best practices, and also security principles to achieve a sustainable cloud journey for the client. So client background, the company called InSync created with their "We Come to You" home limited warranty, is the world's largest manufacturer for the food wastage disposer and instant hot water dispenser for home and commercial use. This company is globally distributed across 80 countries with a presence in North America, Europe, Asia Pacific region. They manufacture innovative products with superior performance, trouble-free operations, and fast and easy installation. What are the major objectives? These are all the business objective, that is availability, agility and integration, scalability and performance. Also security and compliance, license tracking, enhanced experience. The scalable architecture is nothing but it goes the business critical overload. Whatever the available sources, we can ensure the business continuity. Agility and integration is nothing but accelerate the development and deployment of solution with seamless integrations to existing applications without any major rework and extensive testing. Scalability and performance, it will build a high performance and scalable cloud platform. That means that applications and optimizing resources is well and good. And security concepts, yes, of course, it will build the sound and high impact on secure cloud environment and stay compliant with the enterprise networking standards. License is to establish a better license tracking for their applications as well as with the cost. Enhance the experience, transform the experience for the customer and also the user by providing high performing solution. So Infosys is a major strategic partner. 1938 they started. What are the key challenges? These are the various challenges. Data transfer, TSA, transitional service agreement, security compliance, boundary application and integration technology, industry compliance, cost management and performance. These are all the various challenges are happening in this particular activity. Finally, solution, because of the sound architecture with the security mechanisms and business continuity, this Infosys solution recommended Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for Sync Erater, Sync Erater. So it consists of overall digital and entry transformation projects to stay competitive, comply with the internal mandates to improve the overall efficiency. So during the entire process, Infosys deployed the internally built accelerator tools, security framework, and landing zone for the best practices to speed up the migration. What are the benefits? That company utilize cloud technology as a business transformation tool to meet digital and IT transformation projects. It also stay competitive using next generation and cloud infrastructure. During their transformation journey, InSync Erater achieved their business objective with both qualitative and quantitatively. The qualitative benefits: user experience, security and compliance, tool cost of ownership, speed and agility, disaster recovery. These are all the qualitative benefits. Once again, I'm listing here: user experience, security and compliance, total cost of ownership, and speed and agility, and disaster recovery. Quantitative improvements in the provisioning time, batch job run -20 to -30, reduction in response time -30 to 35%, improvement in CPU optimization on OCI, a reduction backtap time -50%, improvement in provision instance -90%. Finally, we are getting the benefit of new infrastructure requirement deployed in hours instead of days. Within hours, we can implement and take all the benefits with the help of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Conclusion: the partnership between Infosys and Sync complete their cloud migration OCI seamlessly. This case study detailed the tangible benefits of cloud transformation and also the objective of all the scalability, operational expenses, all those things has been achieved without any problem. That is a big success, which is one type of case study we have discussed right now, so that we can understand how Oracle infrastructure play a very important role. Another case study, Oracle Analytical Cloud. This Oracle Analytical Cloud, it is a smart ERP services case study. Here, challenges are mainly it creates a reporting aspect and ability to tell the GL balances, the completing the accounting knowledge. There are a lot of challenges for the accounting purpose. We have to take the reports, but because of this particular Oracle technology analytical tool, the current reporting time consuming is slow and the technical nature coming from Oracle EBS. Ability to close and balance the books sooner using the EastBase cube. Already we know EastBase is one of the tool. Ability to slice and dice the financial data. This is called the data to analyze the insights in the better business. Effective critical data visualization. All those things are we are getting the benefit according to the Oracle business. Finally, the client is so satisfied. The company belongs to CA USA. It is an American personal finance website which helps the people to make and manage financial decision by comparing various products. Another one, the company name is Proden Technologies. It is a rapid business intelligence. They are having one approach. Here, overall approach, what types, everything like that. Rapid business intelligence development with the help of The business intelligence tools, they are getting that complete analytical what to discuss the project. That means that here you can easily understand how the reports can be generated with the help of business model, build BI model, validate, preview, extend, deploy. So this separates which provide the platform for both and IT and business instantly present the analytical solution to assess and choice of the reports. The functional areas to focus on scope and overall effectiveness of the solution early in the lifestyle. So build based on the original scope and create your own business model. So it helps the company for getting the huge amount of profit on the particular problem solving methodology. So this company is Cygnus, is a AML data science company for the business aspect. This is the third case study right now we have discussed. Right now, I am coming to end up. I am giving a break of 2 more minutes.
Welcome you all. Good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Viranjaneyulu, Coordinator, Aditya Learning Academy, Aditya University, Surampalam, Andhra Pradesh. As we come to successful wrap up this amazing 6 days online certification course on harnessing big data business analytics with Oracle database. At the outset, I sincerely express my gratitude to our management of Aditya University for their continuous support to organize this kind of online certification courses. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Deputy Pro Chancellor Dr. M. Srinivas Reddy sir, Vice Chancellor Dr. M. B. Srinivas sir, Pro Vice Chancellor Academics Dr. S. Ramasri Madam, Registrar Dr. G. Suresh sir, and all higher officials for encouraging us in every aspect for organizing this online certification course in a smooth and effective way. I thank to the Managing Director of IDVIBU, Dr. TV Suresh Kumar sir and IDVIBU team for supporting throughout this program. I extended gratitude to our resource person Dr. V. Vaitheeshwaran sir for sharing their expertise and guiding us through various business analytics, Oracle applications, Oracle analytics and their concepts, analytical tools in big data and various case studies in real-time applications. Your knowledge and passion for this online certification course have been truly inspiring and we are grateful for the invaluable insights. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to our ALA team and the Department of CSC for organizing this event. Your commitment to advancing education and professional development in greatly appreciated for your active engagement and enthusiasm. Your willingness to learn and grow in this field is commendable and we hope that the skills gained from this course will serve you well in future endeavors. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone behind the scenes who work tirelessly to support this event. Your contributions are deeply appreciated. As we conclude this insightful online certification course on harnessing big data business analytics with Oracle database, I would like to take this moment to express our heartfelt thanks to all those who made this event a success. From this platform, I would like to share the information about our upcoming online certification course that is designed for 3D printing, the scheduled from 17th March 17th to 22nd, 2025. In this way, we are continuously organizing 1 or 2 online certification courses in a month. Keep on register and enhance your skills. Finally, the certificate is distributed based on the final assessment marks and final feedback for the certification fee paid participants. Thank you all once again for being part of this learning journey. We look forward seeing in your future programs. Have a wonderful evening and happy learning. Now finally, I would like to introduce my team members And the first start with our resource person of this entire program, Dr. Vaitheeshwaran sir. Sir, please come here. So he is the Dr. V. Vaitheeshwaran sir, the entire program resource person. So now our programmer, Dr. Sai is our programmer. Thank you. Now our hardware technician, Mr. Seshidhar. So this is our total team. I introduce you and we are taking a small picture.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Yeah, now finally I would like to say one thing from this platform. So you have must complete the final test as well as final feedback. The certification will be distributed for the next weekend on Saturday. Those who are completed the test and feedback of the final, and also certification fee paid participants only. Thank you once again.